Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use xylitol mints. Xylitol is a natural sugar alcohol, often found in various plants. When consumed, it helps to reduce the amount of harmful bacteria in your mouth, which can contribute to tooth decay. Xylitol mints are a convenient way to deliver this beneficial ingredient directly to your oral cavity, supporting your overall dental health throughout the day. For best results, use xylitol mints after you've finished eating meals or snacks. Simply place a mint in your mouth and allow it to dissolve slowly, rather than chewing it quickly. This extended contact helps the xylitol work effectively. Many dental professionals suggest consuming 2 to 3 mints daily to achieve the most significant benefits for your oral hygiene. Incorporating xylitol mints into your routine can significantly improve your oral health. They are known to help prevent cavities and reduce plaque buildup on your teeth. However, it's wise to start with a small amount, perhaps 1 mint daily, and gradually increase your intake. This approach helps your digestive system adjust and minimizes any potential for mild upset. To maximize the positive impact of xylitol, consider combining mints with other xylitol-containing products, such as toothpaste and chewing gum. Remember, these mints are a supplement to, not a replacement for, your regular oral hygiene. Continue to brush your teeth twice daily and floss regularly. Always consult your dentist for personalized advice on maintaining your best oral health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.